Kemi Adetiba is undoubtedly one of Nigeria's most influential directors and producers. Known for her bold storytelling, cinematic precision, and groundbreaking narratives, she has shaped modern Nollywood with some of the industry's biggest box office hits and internationally streamed titles. Her work combines emotional depth, stylish visuals, and strong character arcs, making her one of the most respected directors in Africa today. Kemi Adetiba began her career in media and advertising before transitioning fully into directing music videos, TV content, and eventually feature films. Her film debut, The Wedding Party, changed the landscape of Nollywood cinema by breaking box office records and introducing a new standard of visual storytelling. She followed this success with darker, more complex stories, proving her range and cementing her identity as a director with both commercial and artistic impact. Kemi Adetiba has directed some of the most impactful Nigerian titles of the past decade. Her directing credits include The Wedding Party, a record-breaking romantic comedy now considered a modern Nollywood classic, King of Boys, political crime thriller that established her as one of the most powerful directorial voices in Africa, King of Boys, The Return of the King, To Kill a Monkey, her newest major directorial project, expanding her catalogue into darker, high-stakes storytelling with global appeal. Her body of work highlights emotional intensity, visual richness, and complex political and personal narratives. Kemi Adetiba has one of the strongest Netflix profiles among Nigerian directors. Her works on the platform include King of Boys, The Return of the King, a Netflix original series, The Wedding Party, which is in multiple regions via licensing, and To Kill a Monkey. Her Netflix presence solidifies her status as one of the most globally recognized Nigerian directors. Kemi Adetiba maintains a strong digital presence through Kemi Adetiba Visuals YouTube channel, which houses behind-the-scenes content, filmmaking insights, trailers, and creative discussions. Her digital reach is a major driver of anticipation, conversation, and hype surrounding her releases. Kemi Adetiba's filmmaking is marked by bold, layered storytelling, cinematic visuals, political and emotional depth, strong ensemble acting, and sharp editing and dramatic tension. Her work consistently blends commercial appeal with artistic ambition.
Yeah. Do you know what you're made for? You're a light that's gonna shine, and yes, the world is gonna see